Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to link Chime and Cash App and how to use them together to help you to budget better, save smarter, and stay in control of your money. Let's break it down step by step. To get started, you will want to link your Chime account to your Cash App. For that, open your Cash App and then all you have to do is just tap on this profile icon in the top right corner. Then scroll down until you see this link bank. Click on it. And then again, you have to click link bank. Once you do that, this played screen will appear. Just click continue. And here you will see the list of all your bank. Now just click Chime. And then continue to log in. And here all you have to do is just enter your Chime routing and account number manually, and you can find those details in your Chime app. So for that, all you have to do is just open your Chime app. Now all you have to do is tap on this gear icon, and then here is all your routing number and account number under this account information sections. So all you have to do is just copy that, and once linked, you can move money between these two apps anytime, either instantly or in 1 to 3 days depending on the option you choose. Now use your Chime account as your main bank for direct deposit from work, paying bills like rent, phone number, Wi-Fi, and setting up automatic savings with Chime's Roundup and Save When I Get Paid feature. This helps you to separate serious money like income and monthly responsibilities. Now all you have to do is just move a set amount from Chime to Cash App weekly, like $50 or $100. Then use the Cash App for everyday spending like coffee, food, or transport, sending money to friends, or buying from small vendors. You can also manage subscriptions like Netflix or Spotify. Cash App works like a mini wallet. When it's empty, you stop spending. And now use the two apps this way to help you automatically organize your money. And Chime app shows your bill and income, and Cash App shows your spending pattern. Now you can also set up notification from each transactions on both apps. Want to go deeper? Export your Chime and Cash App statement each month and review your spending habit. Now, here's a bonus tip. Use Chime Spot Me to cover small overdraft on bill, and use Cash App Boots to save money at restaurant and or store. Together, they give you flexibility and savings in one combo. So that's how you can use Chime and Cash App together to level up your money game. Set boundaries, track spending, and stay in control. If this video helped you out, then like this video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.